Xiaomi Truclean W30 Wet-Dry Vacuum Review. Is it worth the upgrade? If you want to vacuum and mop your floors at the same time, the Xiaomi Truclean W30 could be an interesting upgrade, but does it actually make cleaning easier enough to justify choosing it over a regular vacuum and mop? The Truclean W30 is a cordless, wet and dry floor cleaner designed for hard floors. It can pick up dry debris while washing the floor, helping you handle everyday dust, dirt, hair, and liquid spills in a single cleaning process. One of its biggest advantages is convenience. Instead of vacuuming first and then mopping separately, the W30 combines both jobs. It uses separate clean and dirty water tanks, so fresh water is used on the floor while dirty water and collected debris are stored separately. The roller is designed to clean close to edges, which is useful around walls and furniture. The machine is also designed for easier movement, making it more practical for regular household cleaning. Another useful feature is automatic self-cleaning. After you finish cleaning, the system can clean the roller and internal components, reducing the amount of manual maintenance. However, you still need to empty the dirty water tank and regularly clean parts of the machine. Xiaomi rates the W30 for up to around 40 minutes of operation, although real-world battery life depends on the cleaning mode and how you use it. The W30 is primarily designed for hard floor cleaning, so it is not a complete replacement for a traditional vacuum cleaner. It is also heavier than a basic cordless vacuum, and its extra wet cleaning hardware makes the machine more complex. Overall, the W30 is a good choice for households with mostly hard floors where daily dust, spills, and messy areas are common. It makes the most sense if you want to save time by combining vacuuming and mopping. So, is it worth upgrading? If convenience and all-in-one floor cleaning are your priorities, the Xiaomi Truclean W30 is worth considering. But if you already own a good vacuum and mop, the upgrade may not be essential. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts.